Is it the right time to buy or sell the QQQ ETF? In this video, we'll be delving deep into the QQQ ETF. We previously shared an overview on our website on Thursday, February 1, 2024. Today, we're excited to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. To stay up to date with our latest analysis, remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. You won't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 5, 2024, our system has identified QQQ as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.64. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a positive growth of 6.33%. This means it has delivered an average daily return of 0.33% since being flagged as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently experiencing a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating potential further growth. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a projected 13.66% change over the next 3 months. This could result in a return between 11.01% and 16.04%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a forecasted 35.54% change over the next year. This suggests a potential return between 19.96% and 37.99%. In terms of price, it could reach a range of $506.09 to $582.14 after 1 year. Our latest update for the QQQ ETF brings exciting news. It has been upgraded from hold/accumulate to a buy candidate after the Thursday trading session. On the last trading day, which was Thursday, February 1, 2024, the QQQ ETF price experienced a gain of 1.18%. It went from $416.97 to $421.88. Throughout the day, the ETF fluctuated by 1.09%, reaching a low of $417.82 and a high of $422.38. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 7 instances and is currently up by 2.15% over the past 2 weeks. The volume on the last day decreased by 16 million shares, with a total of 47 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $20.03 billion. It's worth noting that a decrease in volume on higher prices can indicate a divergence and potentially signal changes in the near future. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the ETF reached its highest price at $429.85 and its lowest price at $285.19. At present, the price is 1.85% or $7.97 below the 52-week high of $429.85, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. This provides an interesting perspective on its current value. In this video, we'll discuss the signals for QQQ, an ETF. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal for the QQQ ETF, but the long-term average suggests a buy signal. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal for the ETF, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Keep in mind that if the ETF continues to rise, it may face resistance at around $424.04 from the short-term moving average. On the other hand, if the ETF falls, it may find support at approximately $411.04 from the long-term average. A break through the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown through the long-term average will indicate a sell signal. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also suggests a buy signal. It's worth noting that despite price gains, the volume decreased during the last trading day, creating a divergence between volume and price. This could be an early warning, so it's important to closely monitor the ETF. We should also consider some negative signals that have been issued, which could influence the near short-term development. On Monday, January 29, 2024, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a 1.46% decline so far. It's likely that further decline will occur until a new bottom pivot is found. In this video, we will explore some interesting signals that can help you make informed investment decisions. Let's get started. Signal 1, Moving Average Convergence Divergence. This is a buy signal. Signal 2, Pivots. This indicates a sell signal that occurred 4 days ago. Signal 3, Bollinger. It's a buy signal that was observed 6 days ago. Signal 4, Short-Term Moving Average. This shows a sell signal from 3 days ago. Signal 5, Long-Term Moving Average. Another sell signal was identified 21 days ago. Signal 6, the relation between the short and long moving averages. This gave a buy signal 60 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart to further analyze the signals. Signal 7, Short Moving Average. A buy signal was observed 19 days ago. Signal 8, Long-Term Moving Average. This also provided a buy signal 62 days ago. Signal 9, the relation between the short and long moving averages. Another buy signal occurred 49 days ago. If you want to explore more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. It's a great resource to find additional information. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ, the popular ETF, has an interesting support level at $421.18. This level could be a great buying opportunity as we can expect an upward reaction when the support is tested. This ETF is known for its good trading volume, and with minor daily price changes, the risk is relatively low. In fact, in the last day, the ETF had a price range of $4.56, 1.09%, between its high and low points. Looking at the past week, the average daily volatility of the ETF has been around 1.03%. Before we explore potential trading levels for QQQ, let's start by discussing some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A lower PE ratio may suggest that the market has lower expectations for the company's future or that the stock is undervalued, which could present a buying opportunity. Today, we're going to dive into the potential day trading levels for QQQ. If we see an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ sits at $425.83. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is surpassed before considering a position. For those already invested in the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading opportunities. On the flip side, QQQ encounters its first support level at $421.18. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. Our recommended stop-loss level for this ETF is set at $406.19, which represents a decrease of 3.72%. This ETF exhibits low daily movements, resulting in lower risk for investors. Additionally, a sell signal was detected from a pivot top that occurred 3 days ago. Is the QQQ ETF a good investment? Based on our analysis, we believe the QQQ ETF presents a buying opportunity in the short term. Several short-term signals and a positive overall trend indicate that this ETF may perform well. However, it's important to note that our systems have observed the current price to be overvalued based on volatility and recent movements. Looking ahead to trading on Friday, February 2nd, we anticipate the QQQ ETF to open with a decrease of -$1.19, starting at a price of $420.69. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. We strongly advise consulting with a qualified financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. It's crucial not to solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the ETF? We're eager to hear from you. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Our aim is to provide you with successful trading strategies. Have a beautiful day and happy trading from all of us here at Stock Invest.